Yeah. I was gonna clean my room, but then I got high. I was gonna get up.
Alright, so apparently Arbys has a Wagyu burger. So let's give it a try. How are you tonight?
I'm alright, how are you?
Good. Oh, I didn't see the sign, sorry, I would have honked at you. Can I get one of them burgers?
Do you want a burger? Do you want the deluxe or bacon ranch?
What one do you think's better?
The deluxe.
Let's do the deluxe.
Alright, do you want that in a meal?
Yeah, sure. And I'll do a mellow yellow to drink.
That's sorry, what kind of meal?
What happened?
I'm sorry, I speak this kind of broken. What'd you say?
I didn't hear what you said either. I'm sorry. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
okay. Curly fries or crinkle fries?
I'll do curly fries.
And what size and what's the drink?
Small, and I'll do a mellow yellow.
Anything else?
Nope, that'll be it for tonight.
Alright, it's gonna be $9.93.
Perfect. Thank you so much. All right, guys. So back at my house, we got the burger. Let's give it a look. Smells pretty okay. Let's get a thumbnail. Okay, guys. So here's a close up of the burger. It actually looks like it's like probably freshly cooked. I mean, it looks thick. The pickles look good. This looks like a good fucking burger, actually. All right, guys. Let's find out if Arbys just shook up the world of the fast food burger. The mellow yellow is slapping, but I'm just really thirsty. Oh, fucking good burger. Like, goddamn. Like, goddamn. The soda's almost gone. I should have got a large. I got a small. Motherfucker. But yeah, guys, like, this is this is a full-on legit fucking burger. This ain't no shitty, you know. This ain't no shitty pre-cooked patty from fucking McDonald's. Like, this is fucking good. Like, honestly, it's up there. I don't think Five Guys is that good. I think Five Guys is kind of shit, to be honest with you. Besides the Cajun fries, those are dank. But Village Burger, for people that are local and that know it, was way better than Five Guys. But anyways, yeah, like, that fucking burger is legit. Like, I'm super impressed. Now, don't get me wrong. You know, a diner, like a Red Robin's. Oh, you know, honestly, it's up there with like a Red Robin burger. It's for a fast food burger. It's really fucking good. Like, you taste the pepper, like the salt, like, I don't know how they make them. They like fry them or what the fuck they do to them, but it's really good. Like, honestly, 10 out of 10. I don't know what can make it better. I mean, okay. Now, keep in mind, when I say 10 out of 10, there's burgers that are 1,000 times better than this. This is just for this item. If I didn't ever explain that before, I think I have, but just to reiterate, the 10 is for this. I don't think anything they can do this would make it better. Maybe the sauce to be a little bit more pungent and potent. But other than that, like it's a legit a full-on legit burger that they literally, I think, made fresh for me, which is dank. I forgot. I don't remember what I was gonna say. Hold on, guys. I need a drink. God damn the bottle. Yeah, guys. Like, fuck off, Red Ring of Death. Yeah. That's why I don't play sports. I missed. Yeah, guys. I don't really know what to say, but like, go try this right now. Stop the video and go get one, and then come back and try it with me. Like, eat the rest of it while you watch me eat it, or go get it. I don't know how I was gonna say. I was gonna say go get it and come watch this, but you can do that too. As you're following me on Instagram and Snapchat, you'll see exclusive behind the scenes and previews. But yeah. Anyways, guys, yeah. I don't know what to do to make it better. I tried the Deluxe. You guys obviously heard me order that. But I think the one with bacon on it would have been dank too. I don't remember what the difference is. I showed you guys, so you guys can read it yourself. You saw it already. Fuck. I'm so thirsty right now. Oh yeah, guys. Oh, peep the shirt, by the way. Hold on, let me show you the back. This is gonna look fun. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not bending over the thing. That's for OnlyFans. Link in bio. Just kidding, I don't have an OnlyFans. But I'm just kidding. But yeah, guys, yeah, seriously. Go try one of these burgers. They're bomb. They're really good. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you guys like this video. Motherfucker, good. I'm fucking thirsty. I need to go soda shopping. Anyways, guys, enough ranting. I hope you guys liked the video. Please remember to give it a big thumbs up, guys. Subscribe, hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a video. Comment below what you thought of this. And Jason, I think it was you that told me to try this. Thanks, bro. That shit was bomb. Hopefully you liked yours. Comment below, buddy, what you thought. Alright, guys. See you guys next time. JoyCon94. Out.